Good morning. Today we'll talk about something about knife attacks. So we have thousands of patterns of attacks, and we also have the same number of defensive techniques also. Now what happens is that once you look for a knife attack, sometimes it comes overhead, sometimes there will be a slash, and sometimes you find a person charges and stabs you. A stab is different, a slash is different, and a overhead stab is different. For each one, we have different type of techniques, but one technique will not work for everything. Today, we will also discuss about early trap and a straight stab. Come, lock down. Now I will show you from the different direction, right? So that you can visualize how I am using this technique. Yeah. Come. Come. Now we will demonstrate step by step how to do this technique. The very first thing is come. Step out. Step out of the line of attack. The next thing is the early trap. Go back. The third thing is early trap, exchange your hands, right? And then this, disarm him. Then further, if you wanted further pin him down, use on the shoulder, right? Come back. Next step again I will show you, come. Side step, grab early, lock, followed with this area, you pin him down, right? Come on. Bow. So this is how we can perform a takedown. There are thousands of patterns of attacks, there are thousands of patterns of defenses. One technique is not a magic bullet for answering every kind of a question or situation. If you are trained for a multiple ways of defense, right from the direct attacks of your kicks and punches, your locks, your pressure points, your throws, then you will be able to efficiently defend yourself. But since we have to give the every technique, so I just gave you this technique. So you understood that step by step. We'll meet in the next video. And if you like it, you subscribe, give a thumbs up and give a comment. Thank you very much.